Hello YouTube. I've been working on another interface board here behind the scenes. This interface board is going to let you take a GMRS two-way radio handheld and be able to hook it up to a computer. No VOX, no modifying the radio, plug and play. And you're probably thinking, well, why would I want to do this? Well, one of the reasons was so that you can get date and time and weather announcements, or Zello, or you can run your repeater ID, or if you want to do a simplex repeater, you can just use one handheld and have a simplex repeater. Or if you want a duplex repeater, you can use two handhelds with either two outside antennas or run a duplexer and have one antenna. But that's what the plan is. Now, of course, you can take these antennas off on the better radios and run a coax outside with the antenna to get it better, obviously get the antenna outside for better range. You're probably thinking, well, why would I need to do this? Why would I use a handheld? Let's say you have a repeater, or you know of a repeater that cannot get online because that repeater does not have a DB9 adapter. It does not have any way of hooking up hardware to get it online. Well, you can use a handheld if you're close enough to that repeater. You can program the frequencies of that repeater in this handheld. Now you can get any repeater online, whether it's GMRS, whether it's a business band radio or frequency. Of course, you better have a license for it, or you should have a license for it. But the point being is, you can get any repeater online as long as a handheld has the capabilities to enter that frequency in there and be able to plug in a microphone and speaker out on it. So that is the purpose, one good purpose of this interface board. Now, this is not the interface board that you see here. I'm just kind of showing you what it may look like. It's going to have two cables on it, one for microphone, one for speaker out. Then it's going to have two cables that's going to go to a USB sound card, and then you plug in your DB9 adapter. So that's what my plan is. I've been working on it. The good news is I do have the parts on hand to build my prototype. If you remember my last interface board, I did a video series just like I'm going to do with this one, part 1, part 2, part 3, etc. And you can see the progress of how this interface board's coming. Now, obviously, this is not going to be done in a week's time. But yeah, so if you're interested in something like this, shoot me an email, and I'll keep you in mind. Now, I won't hold you to it, but I'll keep you in mind. Maybe I'll do like a email newsletter or a mailing list or something. I'm not sure. But once I get to that point where I have them available, I can let you know. But yeah, that's what my plan is for this, to make things a little bit easier. And like I said, it's going to be plug and play. You just got to set up the software and the way you go. So, at any rate, that's my plan. So, that's what this video series is going to be about. So, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.